Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to create a SQL database in Azure. Let's start. I'm inside the Azure portal, so I'm going to click on create a resource. Then I'm going to click on database on the left side of the page and then SQL database. Inside the basics tab, I'm going to review all the information, so subscription, concierge subscription, a resource group learn because I'm using the Microsoft Learn Sandbox, database name, let's put my database SQL, then click on create new. On the right side of the page, you need to enter the server name. I'm going to put my learn server SQL, then enter a server admin login, so SQL user. I'm going to put the password. Good, and then location I will put like US. Okay, click on OK. Then on the left side we select SQL Server. Good. Leave it here no, and then next. Inside the networking tab, connectivity method, let's select public endpoint, and here let's leave it no for both of the options, and then click on next. Inside the security tab, just select not now for enable Azure Defender for SQL, then click on next. Inside the additional settings, let's click here for use existing data, let's click on sample, and then click on review plus create. Good, and then click on create. Let's wait until the process has been completed. Very good, the process has been completed, and now click on go to resource. Inside this page, let's click on set server firewall. Allow Azure service and resources to access this server. Click on yes. And then save. And then click on OK. Let's close this panel. Close the other panel. And now we are ready to test the database. So click on the database, SQL database. Good, now inside this panel, click on all resources. Select the database, my database SQL. Then click on query editor. Let's put the login and password, SQL user and the password. Okay. We got this error, so let's fix this error. Select overview. Okay. Select set server firewall. And then click on add client IP. I listed my client IP, and then click on save. OK. Close this panel. Click again on query editor preview. Let's put again the password. Click on OK. Very good. And now we can test our database. Let's insert the table. We have this sample table. Okay, product category, the view, the store procedure. So let's type a query. So select top 20 pc.name as category name, p.name as product name, from sales lt dot product category PC join sales lt dot product p on PC dot product category ID equal to p dot product category ID, and then let's click on run. Good, and now you can see here the results of our query. You can find the documentation of this video inside Microsoft Learn how to create SQL database. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you in the next video about Azure. Bye.